tell me what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my guard down, here comes that familiar sound.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caviar Kez. I hope you're all doing well. I have a absolutely stunning curly wig to talk about and install today, so stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Let's give a warm welcome back to today's hair sponsor, Cynosure Hair. I've collaborated with them a few times on my channel. I'm super excited to have them back, and this wig absolutely blew me away when it comes to curl, body, and density. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 13x4 HD pre-plucked, pre-bleached knots, glueless frontal wig.
What's left for me when it all ends? You need some real ones on your side. The type to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100. Tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making, how easily we break.
It's so beautiful, you guys. I'm gonna try it on fresh out of the box for you.
Love, you need someone you can trust to tell you when you messed up. Cause our friends keep your
Wow.
and your family enables weakness. And I don't think you could lift it.
We're opting for a glueless install today, so we're using the Ebon spray. Okay, and one more.
Type to pull up, down to right. Yeah, keep it 100. Tell you if you're wrong or right. Yeah, you need some real ones on your side. So
Okay, I'm pressing it into the lace as well. What I'm going to do is finish securing the wig, but you guys get the idea, right? We're securing her gluelessly, and once that's done, I'm gonna come back and we'll meet back here. Okay, we're just mainly focusing on like the sides here. I don't want the center to have anything. I do apologize, guys, if you hear those kids again. They are at it again, okay? They're living their best life as usual. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the lace melt spray now and just kind of aim the baby hairs a little bit. I'm not even curling them. I kind of just want it there, but like not really. Like we don't want it super defined. I might even comb it out once it's dried. Spray, hold, and mold.
Bittersweet to me now, got me going crazy. Someone just tell me why I do shit like this. So don't
Now this part is not melted down like we want it to, so we're gonna like melt her. I'm gonna go in with a tiny bit of glue, so I'm gonna put it on a surface. If you look close, you can see the edges of the wig. I want to try to hide that as best as possible. If you have a good glue, you can go over the lace. It's gonna dry clear. If you're not using a good glue, I don't know what to tell you. Maybe don't try this at home. And I like doing it in thin sections. I'm cleaning my tail comb as I go because I really need that surface of this to be very clean and not pick up any unwanted product. Like too much is gonna mess it up. There were some spots where I was a little heavy-handed. I'm gonna go in with my lace melting spray next and go over what I just did. pushing my comb forward, okay? You push it always in the direction you want the lace to lay. If you push it back, it might lift it up, and that's not what we're going for. I'm gonna come back once this is melted and we'll see the results. I want the most juicy curls, so that's why I'm really saturating it.
Someone must have broken my heart, like really torn it apart in another life, in another life. Someone must have really fucked me up.
The glue was still stuck and I lifted it up anyway, but I can show you how to fix that. You want to let the lace dry completely. Don't do what I did, but if you're in a hurry, you can. I'm gonna go in with some foundation, but I'm gonna clean it off. So I just want basically the remnants of it, not too much. Dab.
My heart to stop in another life, in another life. Otherwise, I don't know why I keep coming back.
I didn't use any lace tint on this wig as well, so when I installed it, I left it in its, like, you know, natural state. I always intended to put something on the lace, so here we are.
Keep fighting all of it. Don't trust that there's love like it. I don't know why, I just can't believe in it. Like
I think I want a little more baby hairs right here.
Somehow I can't commit. Guess I have to admit.
We like very natural baby hairs over here.
Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue.
And I like to go in with my powder that I like to use. It's like a scalp color. I mixed the two shades. You guys know I always use this.
I trust really bad at opening up. Yeah, I got an issue with love. Yeah, I got an issue with trust. Worry that it won't be enough.
Okay, now I just want to spray a little bit more water. You guys probably like, this girl is obsessed with water. I am. Okay, we're gonna go in with some conditioner. That should be enough. Oh, that smells heavenly. As I'm doing this, I am squeezing off the excess water. And lastly, we're gonna go in with some BioSilk. That's the secret. It's just going to seal it in, give that healthy shine that we love so much. Combing through it a little bit, like fluffing the curls and separating them a tiny bit. I don't want it to be too separated, so kind of like a wet look, dry look. This looks so good. Beautiful. It looks very natural. Very natural.
Hypnotic, making you wait, so erotic. Perks, and I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah. And driving us crazy.
I really like how tiny the knots are. The hairline was nicely done. I didn't have to pluck any hairs from the hairline, and I didn't really have to cut into the hairline as well. So I really like that. The wig is roomy, but it fits nice and snug on my head. Super comfortable to wear, and we did a little baby hair look. I didn't have to do too much because the lace was really beautiful. I did melt her down and secured her with some Glueless spray with a tiny bit of glue at the end, and I put some foundation over the the lace where it had the glue, and you can see it's looking very much melted. Like this looks like a full glue meltdown, and that's the look that I was going for with this unit. I love that it's even. It's full from the root to the tip, so it's not giving thin at all. When I tell you this wig can get even bigger, it can. It's still about 80% wet. Left her still on the wet dry look. The density of this unit is absolutely beautiful. The curls look very natural. It kind of looks like an Italian curly or a Burmese curly. The curls are on the smaller side, so it's not a super like big curl, which I really like. It is a full 13x4, so 13x4 all throughout. It's not like the 2 inches on the side, so you could do your updos, you could do your half up, half down, and still look really cute. But I think it's eating up in the middle part, of course, because that's my classic. I have nothing bad to say about this unit. It's absolutely beautiful. If you want to check them out, I'm going to link it in the description box for you. Leave your thoughts on this install in the comment section below. I'll catch you later in another video real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. And this is the wig fully dried, fluffed out. Let me know which version you guys like. Do you prefer the wet look or the big fluffy look? Guess which one I'm going for. Big fluffy all day, every day. Okay, for real, I'm gone this time. Bye.